Morning folks. How you all doing? Do apologise for the crap video yesterday, but you know, keep saying it's a daily story, isn't it? It's all linked together, so it's just in bite-sized sections. Honestly, this thing, as simple as it is, you know, realistically, it's just a gas bottle. This thing has changed my life so much, because it now means winter is not only doable, but it's enjoyable. Like, I can sit here now in the mornings, have a coffee while it's warming up. It's brilliant. So, it is currently snowing. So I was going to go outside and show you around a little bit. Probably not going to bother now. I need to edit anyway. We've been here before. Mam Tour was up here a few months ago, so bomb back in the videos if you haven't seen it. Yeah, I'm going to edit now, get this video done, and then going to move on, try and find something new. Did want to do some droning while I was up here, but this wind at the minute, I mean, I've took it up in some pretty windy conditions, but I think this is taking the piss. Well, I'm still editing, but I just thought it'd be fun to show you what the weather's just decided to do. I mean, absolutely bombing it down. Hopefully I don't get stuck down the end of this road. That would not be ideal. Oh crap, that's the point actually, because my rear tyres are not great right now. Oh Jesus. And I'm at the bottom of a hill. Oh bloody hell. I just had to come out and have a look. This is awesome. I've not seen snow for ages. Look at this. Hey. Oh, it's bolting though. Bloody hell. Right, get this video done, then we can go have an explore. This wind is ridiculous. I mean, my van's not exactly a Mini Cooper, and she's swaying around a lot. It's like being in a boat. God, it's bloody cold. Right, so the plan is, first and foremost, to not crash. That'd be a good start. I think just over there there's a valley or something. I've not really explored the Peak District that much. I think it's called Edale. I was just looking on the map. There's like a road that goes around, does a loop, and then comes out down there. I'm gonna go have a look, see if there's anything interesting that way. I mean, this is a lovely spot, don't get me wrong, but I've been here already. Yeah, it's a bit boring. I want to go see some new stuff. Hopefully we're going to be alright driving out of here. I don't have as much confidence in my tyres as I once did. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, so we turned off the main road now, so this is that Edale road. Oh, this is cool already. Don't really know what to expect. This is probably a bad idea. Okay, I'm just wondering if this is the smartest decision in the world, because I don't know what is down here, and it's snowy. I'm just going to go and see what happens. Like I say, I've never been down here, so this could be a stupid idea. Like, as long as we don't get too much more snow, we'll be okay. Just take it nice and easy. Oh, look at those views though. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, getting back up out of here is going to be interesting to say the least. Oh my god, that is absolutely stunning. Through the camera as well. Got a little bit nervous then, not gonna lie, which is mad considering I spent the whole winter in the French Alps. My tyres were a lot bigger then. There's a paint display car park there, but yeah, we can do better than that. Just driving, I don't need to stop yet. Probably end up going back up the other side if there's nothing around it. By the looks of it, it's a lot shallower this side to go out, so shouldn't be quite as bad. I love this, you know, just like being out exploring again. I've got nothing in the sat nav. I don't know where I'm going. Just driving around and enjoying the scenery, keeping my eye out for any potential spots. Love it. This is what it's all about. Back into the mess. Oh, that's a shame. Just come to this spot here. You got Stanage Edge up there. I've been here before, but there's a little sign there saying no overnight parking. It's kind of rubbish. Although I have stayed here before in a car many years ago. I slept in the back of my Civic in this car park, and I got a knock on the door at about 5 o'clock in the morning from one of the rangers because he thought someone had killed themselves in the car. So, we're gonna have a little drive up there, see if we can find anything up that way. Bit of parking here, maybe. I'll just stay here. That's alright. Yeah, this will do, I reckon. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that snow. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. That's crazy. It is damn windy up here though. This wind is phenomenal, actually. Jesus Christ. Picked a great time to come up here, didn't I? Really sure what to do with myself now. I mean, it's horrific outside, so I'll probably do a bit of computer work for a bit, and I don't know, see. I don't know when this weather's meant to calm down. We'll have a brew, think about it. Just got the burner fired up. It's impressive, this thing. It must be that cap that I did, because I did like the custom cap. Even in this brutal wind, which is hitting that chimney right now, don't make any difference to the burner. It's one hell of a spot. This is proper exposed though. For me. I mean, can you hear that wind? And this sheet, oh god. I feel like I'm crossing the channel. I'm gonna be honest. Starting to think this is a stupid idea. I mean, this is like full on. The thing is, if somebody loses control in this weather, they're going to slam straight into me. I don't know if you can see how much the van's moving right now, but it's a lot. For a kick-off, I ain't going to get any bloody sleep again, am I? Right, let's see. Can Park for Night come to the rescue? Right, I'm going to do it. Get the hell out of here. I'm going to go outside first, just for your pure entertainment value, so that you know I'm not talking crap about how bad this weather actually is. But let me tell you, this is like bordering on stupid. Try and do this without losing the door. Oh god! That literally, okay, hang on. Let me just sum this up for you. No. How is this England? What the? There we go. It's pretty windy. windy. Oh God. There we go. See, look, we're adventuring. It sort of comes in like every now and again. Right, can I get you? So as you can see, I can't even open my eyes. Okay, so there you go. Oh, for everyone that was definitely going to be like, it's not that windy. Right, let's go find somewhere that's actually habitable. This looks pretty bloody cool. That's a reservoir. Hopefully the spot's alright at the end of this. Right, you're joking. This is potentially the shittest park up I've ever found on Park for Night. It's not even a car park, it's just the end of the road. There we go. So I was down there in that corner. I'll just come 30 seconds backwards because I saw this on the way past. So this I think will do. These are all proper trees here now as well, so these ain't coming down. God, the weather's really coming in now. That is us parked up for the night. Bit on the raz, but not too bad. Proper. See, look, if you keep looking, you always find something you like. Probably think about getting some dinner. I'm bloody starving. I feel like my van's about to rip in half. So yeah, I'd call that a successful move. I've got peppers, mushrooms, onion, garlic, and then the noodles. So mix that together. Hopefully it will taste nice. I just threw some of that in. Can't remember what it's called. Makes it taste barbecue. Let's see them. See what I've given birth to. That's actually really nice. God knows what I've just made, but that is cooking easy. All you do, get yourself a pan, turn the gas on, and just launch it at it until you get bored. Right folks, I'm going to call it a day there, and then I can crack on and start editing tomorrow's video now, which means I'll have more time to do stuff tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing yet, as always, but I'll have more time to make a decision. The comments on tonight's video, like, overwhelming. The phone's blowing up. I see the general feeling for everyone is you want some more photography stuff, so I will definitely be up for doing that. Right, I shall catch you all tomorrow.